The idea is that we're starting week by learning the items, everyday items around you. And today's word is one of them. However, it's something totally else. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have divan. Divan. Divan can be a sofa, a council, and a poetry collection. I'll explain why, but let's see phrases first. On the sofa, ancient council meeting, classical poetry collection. Let's see what do they mean in Azerbaijani. Divan üstündə. Did you notice? Üstündə is written, spoken language, üstündə. It makes the word flow easier. Divan üstündə, on the sofa. This word divan is a loan word from Russian. The other one, it's from Persian and Arabic. Ancient council meeting, Qədim DİVAN məclisi. In fact, all three words are loan words. Qədim DİVAN məclisi. Qədim, ancient, meclis, meeting, divan, council. Another one, whole set of loan words. Classical poetry collection, Klassik, şeir DİVANı. Now, lots of loan words. It's interesting the fact that it's your daily item, divan, the one you sit on it, a couch, sofa, but it's also something else. We'll explore both ways in sentences. Let's see. Uzun günün sonunda hamımız qonaq otağındakı yumşaq divanda oturub film izlədik. Çünki digər stullar çox narahat idi. Lots of loan words. I bet every nation watching this, let's say Russian watching this, will recognize Persian, Arabs. You will recognize your words. Not to mention, we have also native words there. Now, translation first. At the end of a long day, we sat on the sofa, soft sofa, in the living room and watched a movie because the other chairs were too uncomfortable. Let's break it down first. Uzun günün sonunda. At the end of a long day. Uzun, long, günün sonunda, at the end of the day. Of the day, günün, sonunda, at the end. Okay? Hamımız, we, mean we all, qonaq otağındakı yumşaq divanda oturub film izlədik. We sat on the soft sofa. Yumşaq divanda oturub. In the living room where qonaq otağındakı. Do you see? Qonaq otağındakı, but I speak qonaq otağındakı. Again, it's easier flow when you speak. That's why it turns the last g of the word qonaq. It turns into r sound. Qonaq otağındakı. Now, film izlədik and watched a movie. See, it doesn't say izlədik, biz izlədik again. Or you don't see the word biz, us, we, at all. Because there is izlədik at the end. That suffix shows it's us who did the action. Okay? Çünki, because, the other chairs, digər stullar, the other digər. Stullar, it's another loan word. Chairs, stul, stullar. Çox narahat idi. Were too uncomfortable. All right. Let's see another version. This one was longer, hopefully shorter. Füzulinin klassik şeir divanı, Şərq ədəbiyyatının incilərindən biridir. Let's see what we want to say here. Füzuli's classical poetry collection is one of the pearls of Eastern literature. And by East, we mean West Asia. Füzulinin klassik şeir divanı. Füzuli's classical poetry collection. Şərq ədəbiyyatı, Eastern literature. İncilərindən biridir. Is one of the pearls. İnci, pearl, inciler, pearls, incilərindən, one of the pearls. Biridir is one of the. Okay, that was today's word. Divan. How else we can use it? If procrastination had a throne, it would be my divan. Now, This was today's word. Tomorrow, I'll introduce you to another everyday item. However, if you would love to learn Azerbaijani step by step, feel free to download Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store. Module 1 there is completely free and gives you the foundation you need to set you up to success and keep building with the confidence. Another way of getting yourself familiar, if you are interested in learning deeper grammar, pronunciation, cultural history, and learning tips, there's masterazerbaijani.com for you, where I post every day's blogs. Feel free to check that out as well. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.